Hello internet, Enthusiast is back after a long time in an all new avatar, and this time something out of the box. Well, that exact thing is inside the box. Anyway, but hey, firstly, if you haven't subscribed this channel, go ahead, click the subscription button for more travel, backpacking and less wannabe lifestyle content. This video is in collaboration with the Japan Ramen box. Obviously the link is in our description so that you can check it. So Japan Ramen box sent me this box full of instant ramen noodles all the way from Shinto Tsukiji Chuoku, Tokyo, from Japan. And my impatient soul unboxed it as soon as it received, so I'm sorry we won't be having that mandatory shot of unboxing shit, and I even lost the chance to show off my Swiss knife. Anyways, instant ramen noodles, the brainchild of Mr. Momofuku Ando, the staple food of every 20-year-old broke millennial, is right here inside this box. So here we go. By the way, I very well know what's inside this box, yet I'll try my best to act surprised. So they have given a letter which has links to their social media handles. Thank you for your subscription. Oh, okay, you can you need to pay them every month, so they send you, you subscribe to their website and they send you this box every month, so you get to taste a wide range of ramen noodles every month. So this is exactly how it is. Since they ship this thing worldwide, there are a lot of people who don't know how to make these, and so they have given links to the PDFs of their recipes. So oh wow, so let me just show you. We got these many of ramen noodles which can serve me for maybe a week. So what is this? This has pork inside it. Apart from that, it has some liquid taste maker as well, which you're supposed to add up after the noodles are prepared. So I'm actually unable to read it, but I somehow managed to translate it via Google. But still, the scan thing wasn't working enough because it had some really fancy fonts. Then we got some other kind of cup noodles. Even this has pork inside it, and yeah, it is. This thing is easy to make. You just need to pour hot water, nothing else. That's it. Then we have this thing. It has chicken inside it, and this thing reads as the old-fashioned. At these, even this packet has the soup inside it and eggs as well, and some other authentic Japanese ingredients. Then we have this. I really don't know how do they guys manage to preserve it, but still that's great. You get to taste authentic ramen. Yeah. And last but not the least, this well packed thing is it has more of soya inside it, so it has that tangy taste. I don't know how is it going to come up, so I'll be making these and I'll be posting my experiences on my Instagram handle, so make sure you follow that as well. My Instagram username is mybluebackpack. Obviously the link is in the description so that you can go there directly. Follow me on Instagram and watch me having these. So also there is this fun fact that instant ramen noodles actually boomed after the Second World War, when Japan was in their food shortage crisis and America sent a lot of wheat to their country. And this guy Momofuku Ando, he actually wondered that why would Japanese have American bread, and he literally legit came up with an awesome idea of preserving wheat noodles and making instant ramen out of them, which was famous among the working class of Japan at that time, and now it has become a worldwide, it is loved worldwide. So ramen has become almost everyone's favorite. And any of my friends watching this video want to taste it, just text me and we'll hang out at my place slurping on these delicious looking instant ramen noodles. So that's it. See you on my Instagram channel. Bye bye.